Hi, this is Handy Andy, and today I'm gonna do a Dualsense repair on the bottom microphone of the Dualsense. I've already done a video where we swap out the top one, but a lot of people have asked me about the bottom one as well. So I got a couple of tools to get going. I got the bending tool here to open the controller. I got the tweezer where we might need to remove the broken microphone part, and we got a Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws inside the Dualsense. And yeah, let's get to it. So we start by opening up Dualsense from the bottom here. Get the bending tool underneath here and pull it out. Do the same on the other side here, and then just pull it off. And like I've said that before, the controller is very durable, so don't be afraid to use some force. The sensitive parts are these cables, so you have to be careful when we're removing the microphone cable itself. And you see the spare part here, it's a small one. If you damage that ribbon cable there, the microphone will be broken, so let's not do that. And then we have to remove these 4 screws, and if this is your first time doing this, just remember, have patience, do it step by step, and everything will be fine. The Dualsense controller is one of the easier ones to open up. They're very durable and very well made, in my opinion. And to remove the triggers, we pop in the bending tool between the triggers, hold your thumb over it so it doesn't fly off, bend it out so it pops out. That's the second one, and here we have 2 more screws underneath, and we will remove those as well. So yeah, this is the third one, and we have the 4th one here as well. And now when it's off, we need to pop these 2 latches down here as well. So what I usually do is I put pressure with the index finger and the thumb. I hold it like this. I take the bending tool, pop one latch, you hear it pop, then I put some more pressure here and do the same on the other side. And you can see both sides popped up here. And now you can separate them, just pull them aside. Remember to thread them over the triggers, and then it comes off. And the battery might come off as well. It's stuck in the cable, so don't worry, you can just put it back like that. Remember to thread it underneath the top latch here, like that, if it comes off. And yeah, now we have the bottom microphone right here. So we can see the bottom microphone here, and it's hooked up here, and we need to pull it out to put in the new one. I brought out my flat tweezer as well. Let's see if I can get good grip with it right there, and try to only get the part that you can grip. Does not seem to be that easy. Oh, there it came off. So it's off, and you can see that it's a bit broken there. The cable is actually off right here, fortunately. But so putting in this microphone part, we have to be a bit careful. It is a bit fragile. We need to put it in this side downwards that way, and then bend it a little. It's supposed to be bent to be set in the cradle itself. So to be able to do this is a trickier part than the other one, and I will bend it a little so I can fit the tweezer here, so I can get a grip. I'll get the tweezer now, I will hold it here. Let's see. Like that. So I have it here in my grip now. I will try to put it in here into the connector. It went smoothly in. Straight in, just push it down straight. And then I will try to put this the right way inside the latch here. Also a bit tricky. So here you need to be careful. You don't want to break the spare part as well. See, I got it into place there. It doesn't sit greatly. Let's see. Does it need to be pushed down here maybe? Like that. It seems to sit better now. And now we just need to put the covers back and the screws back. So with this one, you truly need patience to remove it and then put it into place without breaking the ribbon cable itself. But yeah, we put the bottom cover back on, thread it over the triggers, align it with the holes, click it into place, and now we put the screws back. So yeah, this is a bit trickier one than the upper microphone, I would say. The trickiest part with the upper microphone is to thread it carefully from the bottom side up top through this hole. But it is pretty, like the hole is pretty big. So you just thread it carefully, it goes quite smoothly. But removing this bottom microphone with the tweezer, that was kind of tough, I have to say. I've done it before and I can't remember that it was that tough. So it might be dependent on what type of controller version you have, but just get a good grip there on the plastic part where you can pull it and just try to get it in one motion, steadily pull it away up. And yeah, let's put the triggers back, align them correctly here and push them in like that. Same on the other side, pop it in, and then we'll put the top cover back as well. Like that, let's see, like that, and let's align this here correctly as well. That. And now we swapped out the microphone. It should be working. The controller is working itself, and then you can go into settings to try out the microphone. I hope I helped you guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.